G'day and welcome to Nature Walk. I'm your host, Greycloud, and this is John Forest National Park. Behind me, National Park Falls. Yes, I'm here again, but I just need to explain things just a bit more simply for you instead of complicating it and making you confused, which I don't want to do. So okay, there will take us to Eagle View Lookout. Let's go for a walk. I'm taking you right down there to the falls themselves, just to give us a better scenery. Okay, now that I'm here, up there is at the top of National Park Falls. Now if you want to go that way, which might seem a bit of a quicker way to get to Eagle View Lookout, that way is a lot of ups and downs, ups and downs and ups and downs. Whether you want to do that is up to you, but hey, I'm not going to go that way anymore. I prefer to go that way. This way, let's go for a walk. Now, please be careful while come down here. It can be a bit slippery. Lots of rocks and stones. They can make it difficult for you. Just a moment. Okay, this is the National Park Falls themselves, and yes, I will come back here during the winter months when there's a lot of rain, because it's a wonderful excuse me, it's a wonderful sight to see, and being here and watching all that water come through. Now this is a waterfall risk area, and there are slippery rocks, so stay clear of water's edge for your safety. Slippery when wet, of course, naturally. Rock formation there. What a marvel to see. And the experience of being here is definitely worth the walk. Sorry about the sun there. Okay. So, until next time, see you then.